Case study: Parsons Livestock vs. Uttley Ingham. Introduction. Parsons Livestock v. Uttley Ingham is a notable case within the realm of contract law, shedding light on the complexities of contractual obligations and the sale of goods. This case study aims to delve into its intricacies, providing insight into its background, legal issues, procedural history, and enduring impact on contract law jurisprudence. Background. The case involves a contractual dispute arising from the sale of livestock, highlighting the application of legal principles governing contracts for the sale of goods. Against the backdrop of commercial transactions and contractual agreements. The case raises fundamental questions concerning contract formation, terms, and the remedies available for breach of contract. Facts of the case. Parsons Livestock, the plaintiff, entered into a contract with Uttley Ingham, the defendant, for the sale of livestock. However, disputes arose regarding the quality and condition of the livestock delivered by Uttley Ingham, leading to allegations of breach of contract by Parsons Livestock. The case thus revolves around issues of contractual performance, warranties, and the assessment of damages for breach of contract. Procedural history. The case underwent trial proceedings before a court of law, where the parties presented their respective arguments and evidence. Following the trial, the court rendered a decision determining the liability of Uttley Ingham for the alleged breach of contract. The case may have also involved appeals or subsequent legal actions, further shaping the legal resolution of the dispute. Central to the legal analysis in Parsons Livestock v. Uttley Ingham was the interpretation of contractual terms and the assessment of liability for breach of contract. The court grappled with questions surrounding the formation of the contract, the implied warranties of quality and fitness for purpose, and the remedies available to the aggrieved party for breach of contract. Moreover, the case raised issues concerning the application of legal principles governing contracts for the sale of goods, including the Uniform Commercial Code (UCC) or relevant common law principles. Precedent and legal impact. The decision rendered in Parsons Livestock v. Uttley Ingham had a significant impact on contract law jurisprudence, particularly in the context of sales of goods. Its precedent influenced subsequent cases grappling with similar issues, providing guidance to courts and practitioners in interpreting and enforcing contracts for the sale of goods. Moreover, the case contributed to ongoing discussions surrounding the rights and obligations of parties in commercial transactions, shaping legal standards and practices in the sale of goods. Critique and controversies. As with any legal decision, Parsons Livestock v. Uttley Ingham was subject to critique and controversy. Scholars and practitioners may debate the adequacy of the court's reasoning, considering the complexities of contract law and the nuances of sales transactions. Moreover, the decision may have engendered broader debate surrounding the allocation of risk and liability between parties in commercial contracts, reflecting the tension between contractual freedom and consumer protection. Conclusion. In conclusion, Parsons Livestock v. Uttley Ingham represents a significant moment in the evolution of contract law, offering valuable insights into contractual obligations and remedies in sales transactions. Its analysis sheds light on the complexities of commercial transactions and the challenges inherent in resolving disputes arising from contractual agreements. If you are a law student and looking for more case studies, visit our website www.mylawtutor.net.